Hey guys, welcome to the Vera Clinic, all the way in Istanbul, Turkey. My name's Nick Huffman, and I'm going to tell you about my experience. Come on inside. Everything is modern, everything is beautiful in here. It's all like it's just been done within the past 5 years. A coffee station, they have a coffee station. You can get coffee here at the Vera Clinic. If you want Starbucks coffee, you can get it. And then of course, right from the front, that's where you're gonna check in. That's where you're gonna talk to all the consultants. And then you're just gonna come in, have a seat, and check everything out. So one of the first steps you're gonna do once you come here is the doctor's consultation. That's gonna be the area where you're gonna meet with your doctor. They're gonna talk about your hairline. They're gonna talk about the problem spots on the top of your head, or on the sides of your head, or on the back of your head. You're gonna talk about all of that. This is where you're gonna find exactly where your hairline's gonna be, where they're gonna take from their donor area, and they'll check all that out in this mirror right here, and then they'll go with you over and over again. If you're not happy with your exact consultation, you're not happy with the exact line, I had my line drawn maybe 6 different times just so we were both happy with it. All right, and after you've already checked in and done everything and all your paperwork and you paid for everything, you come down to the operation area. Now this is the central reception area where if you need to talk to any of the ladies, you can talk to them. They're all right here. They're really easy to help. And right behind these doors, right over here, this is the operation room. This is where all the magic happens, all right? But as you can see, I've already had mine done. So I've already had my magic happen. So we can't actually go past these doors because it's super sterile and it's super medically sterile. Oh, sorry, I was just finishing getting my hair washed. After day 2, guys, you actually get your hair washed in one of these wonderful, as if you were at a salon. You get your hair washed, you get all the scabs taken off, you get everything taken off. It's beautiful, it's really, really nice, really cleansing. They do it with nice warm water, and then they have multiple different places here that you can do that with. And instead of actually rubbing your hair, they actually use these spray bottles. Then instead of having hard pressure on your head, they use these spray antibacterial bottles. They've upgraded their technology here at the Vera Clinic. So make sure to come on in and they're gonna take good care of you from here. And from that point, you're gonna come over, after your hair washing, you're actually gonna come over to the red light therapy. Red light therapy has been proven through so many different things. So you come over here and it's been proven to help out start the hair growth and actually the healing process of your hair follicles, especially because they've just been implanted into your head. So we wanna make sure they're gonna grow as quickly as possible. So you can sit under this nice little lamp. It kind of looks like one of those 60s hair dryers if you're from the United States. It looks like one of those if you're trying to get an updo. But yeah, you come in here, sit in here for 15 minutes, and then that promotes hair growth.